O Makauri, Anake, I Mahue, atu I waho I toka ahuru, ko te peka I rere mai ki utara, hei kura mo Mahaki, ko manga mo te oko ue tanguru, ko te koiwi, koro mora kua.
When we were doing the Treaty of Waitangi negotiations, the settlement process, we had very little resources. We came together as tūranga iwi, but in coming together, it sort of separated us in a way as well. So, because we were all individually being put up by our iwi to participate in this process, so we were all individually nominated, so to speak, which sort of pitted us against each other rather than us coming together in a place where we could have really pushed to probably get even more say of the whole. We were basically told this is how much you're going to be getting and pretty much, work together to find and agree to what you're going to get. I actually stepped aside from the process right near the end because the final allocation decision by the minister, I felt alienated some of the whenua. So I fronted up to our iwi to say that I needed to step aside and resign for those reasons. And it's interesting that we're sitting here right now because one of the reasons why I stepped aside was the fact that we never dealt with kaiti. Our connection is not just our whakapapa to this place, but actually that shared whakapapa that we have between Ngai Tāwhiri and whānau iwi, which I didn't actually understand at the time I was in the negotiation process, that if I had of, maybe I would have even been a little bit more open to some of the decisions that had been made. I remember just standing up, and I'm always, real staunch, rongo whakaata, but now I understand how it's not just rongo whakaata here and Mahaki over here, we're actually the same people. I have a real hope, if we go along this line of remembering and understanding who we really are as a people of tūranga, as rongo whakaata, as Ngāti Maru, as Ngai Tāwhiri, as whānau iwi. There are a whole lot of things that keep happening that we now have to, if we understand our connection to that, we can speak in those forums, individually, as a collective, and talk about, well, actually, this is how it really is, because we know that connection, we know the stories. That's actually where our strength lies.